and welcome everyone. So we are at PMTX Pune Machine Tool Expo. The show has been organized here in Moshi and I am standing in front of the stall of Widma. With me is Mr. Rajasekhar Venkat and he's going to get us some more information about the huge launch and the product solutions which they have with Widma this year at this expo. So first of all, sir, a great congratulations on this huge product launch which you had this morning. So what do you have to say about Widma and its offering to the industry?
Widma has been in the industry since last 40 years. This year we are celebrating our 40th year of inception. Historically, we have been always in custom built solutions. Over the last few years, we have realized that leveraging our experience, we have to now migrate to more general purpose solutions. So this event is very important for us because here we have launched the Horizontal Machining Center. While we have been building such large machines more as a custom solution for customers, leveraging our experience, we decided to bring a standard product for 800 mm pallet. So that is what today we have launched, and we are looking forward because the industry is growing and most of our customers have the need, and also with the backdrop of India becoming the manufacturing hub, so there is a big need for such large machines, and we are looking forward to a positive response from the industry and also from our customers.
Of course, and so Kennametal, being a global brand and the Widma providing the machining solutions, being a group for providing the machining solutions, there's always expectations from the industry that, you would meet with the people's expectations, the challenges which they face. So what do you think that the challenges that could be recently faced by the industrialists, and how did you brought this innovative solution to the table?
So when customers look for machines, they look for one-stop solution. While there are many suppliers, but customers always prefer a supplier who can give them end-to-end solution. And that's the space where we operate, because we have not just the machines as an offering, but we also offer molder fixtures, and we also do the lifetime services for the equipment that we supply. And we also partner with our customers in continuous improvement and their production cost efficiency improvements. So that's where we see a great opportunity for us, and that's where Widma has been playing always.
Last question to you would be, what would be the expectations of the industry from Widma in the upcoming years? Where do you see the opportunities coming in?
So Widma is a very strong brand, and all our customers who know us, they know that we build machines which are world class, and they would be expecting a similar solution even from us moving forward, and that's where with the HMC launch and with the blank profile grinding, we are able to fulfill customers' expectation.
Wonderful. Once again, a huge congratulations to you and the whole team of Widma on this launch, and thank you so much everyone for watching us. Thanks a lot.